out and around, so we can't go out the other door. Showers are this way.
Oh, sorry.
Okay, let's go shower.
It's locked.
Okay, hey Brad, stay right there.
That's why I was like...
Okay, is that because you saw us and decided to try and walk away? Okay.
Yeah, I mean, it's a little intimidating when you're walking towards me, but...
Okay, well we can walk this way.
That just doesn't make sense, dude. Like, how can you freaking do this? Like, how does that...
He's running! I'm gonna tase you! White male covered in mud and underwear. You're gonna get tased! Missed him. God damn it. Oh.
I'm hurt. He's still headed down. What? I can see him from where I'm at. He's running down the road back towards the highway. Nope. No, he just fell. Okay, now he's running up.
Get on the ground now! Hands! Put your hands up! Show your hands! Put them on your face! On your face! Turn around! Walk backwards!
Okay, I'm sorry, dude.
Yep. Thank you. Dude, come on. Nah, man, you had a chance. You had a choice.
I was scared, bro.
Face here. Lean over the car. Separate your feet. Do not move your arms or you will get tased.
I'm not moving. Those warrants were bullshit. That's why I was running, bro. It wasn't because I was trying to avoid you guys. I shouldn't have had the warrants in the first place. And I didn't even
You got way worse to worry about the warrants now, dude.
Okay, but you have to understand.
Let's go.
What? Let's go.
And I didn't take any credit cards.
Have a seat.